All right, how heavy do you think I am on this thing?
230.
230, fuck, I might be. 225, come on. I'm probably 238, to be really here. This is awkward.
Bet.
I got this hanging scale from Amazon. It was one of their cheaper ones. We're gonna test this out. It has a maximum capacity of 660 pounds. It's a light plastic case. And if you guys wanna stop the video to check out the specifications, you can. But there's that. Let's get it opened. I also bought a decibel meter, so we can see how loud I am and how loud all this stuff in the garage is. Bam! YouTube magic. It's not working. Let me just reach on over. Hey, look, there's the scale. So, on sets the scale. You have unit measures, you have pounds, newtons, or kilograms. Because we're here in freedom land, we like freedom units. You have hold for the holding the highest weight if you want to do that. And then this is OT as well, and not just power and then T. So what you can do is if you have like a scale on the bottom of here, or if you have a weight or something that's holding down here, you press that, it resets this back to 0. And then the weight that's on here doesn't exist for the scale. I have a lot of heavy stuff here that we're gonna test out, and I wanna see how heavy this stuff is. So we're gonna get to doing that. YouTube magic, go. So I found this chain I can attach stuff to. Currently is about 4.1 pounds. So if I just press this once, it zeroes out the weight. And now we can use this chain, which is 4 pounds, to pick stuff up, and it won't be counted towards the weight of all the other objects, which I think is pretty neat. All right, we have a Ford tire. I was gonna have a second camera set up to look at the scale, but the LED is too bright, so I'll just bring you guys closer once I get that figured out. We're gonna see how heavy it is. Really? It's 105 pounds? All right, 105.5 pound tire. That's cool. We need more research. What else we got here? Well, we got a lot of stuff in here we can try out. Thank you. All right, now we have counterweights for a tractor that goes on the back of it, the back wheels. So we'll see how heavy these are. These are fairly heavy. We're gonna try putting a bolt through the chain here on the very back. That works. I'll show you guys how I did that once we lift it up. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1. £40? Holy shit. I was not expecting those things being 40 pounds. I have 7 of these, and they're at 40 pounds each, would make it 280 pounds. That's how I did the bolt. You see that? Slipped it through. All right, the next thing we have right here is an I-beam. I loosely wrapped it with a strap that's broken and torn in half that I re-knotted up. So yeah, well, hopefully this won't break. All right, let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, please don't break. Oh. I don't trust you at all, strap. 73 pounds. Whoa, that's cool. I was not expecting that. Yeah, 73.8. This is how I have it connected. Very poorly. All right, how heavy do you think I am on this thing?
230.
230, fuck, I might be. 225, come on. I'm probably 238, to be really here. This is awkward.
Bet.
Up, up, and away! Oh, guys, I can swing. I'm really swinging right now, oh my God.
Oh, maybe I should give you a push.
How much am I?
Oh, hell. I was even wrong.
What is it?
235.
Oh, I was close.
Yeah. What'd you think it was, 236?
Huh?
What'd you think you were?
I thought it was 238. Oh God. I came in like a wrecking ball. Oh, no, no, sir. Wait, put it down at the same time.
Wait, 3.
Oh, shit. Do you want to try?
No, I don't want to know how much I weigh.
This is pretty accurate.
Yeah, I don't want to know. It's 600 pound max.
Yep. So that's the end of the video. It's the Amazon digital scale. It's like 34 bucks off it. I'll leave a link down in the description. Say what you think.
It was interesting.
Right?
Swing was fun.